Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called an all-party meeting on Friday at 5 p.m. to discuss the situation at the Galwan Valley. The meeting has been called after at least 20 Indian Army personnel, including a colonel, were killed in a fierce clash with Chinese troops in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh on Monday night. This is the gravest escalation along the line of actual control in the last 5 decades. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh condoled the death of soldiers in Galwan Valley, calling it deeply disturbing and painful. Our soldiers displayed exemplary courage and valour in the line of duty and sacrificed their lives in the highest traditions of the Indian Army, he wrote. China Foreign Ministry spokesperson said that it does not want to see any more clashes on the border with India following the deadly violence on Monday. He said both countries are trying to resolve the situation via dialogue. He, however, reiterated that China is not to be blamed for the clash and said the overall situation at the border is stable and controllable. Details of the clashes in the Galwan Valley on Monday night are coming in, which say that the deadly border clash occurred when a small Indian patrol party moved a Chinese tent in the Galwan River Valley at 15,000 feet. China had agreed to remove the tent after talks with Lieutenant General ranked officers of both sides on June 6th. Reports say a physical fight broke out after the Chinese soldiers targeted the Indian colonel B.L. Santosh Babu. Both sides were armed with batons and rods with nails. Colonel Santosh Babu and 2 other soldiers, Havildar Palani from Tamil Nadu and Sepoy Ojha from Jharkhand, died for the country on Monday night in a violent face-off with Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh. The colonel's parents, B. Upendra and Munjula, are in deep shock. Fighting to stay composed, his mother said, "I am both sad and proud. My son has laid down his life for the country. As a mother, I am sad. He was my only son." The Supreme Court pulled up the Delhi government for filing FIRs and suspending medical staff for exposing the truth at government-run hospitals. The top court said that doctors and nurses are corona warriors and they needed to be protected. The Supreme Court has also asked the centre to issue a direction to states for payment of salaries to doctors and healthcare workers treating COVID-19 patients. An advocate, Sudhir Kumar Ojha, has filed a complaint against Karan Johar, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Salman Khan, Ekta Kapoor and 4 other people in connection with actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death in a court in Bihar's Muzaffarpur. A case has been filed under sections 306, 109, 504 and 506 of the IPC. Beijing's airports cancelled more than 1,200 flights and schools in the Chinese capital were closed again on Wednesday as authorities rushed to contain a new coronavirus outbreak linked to a wholesale food market. The city reported 31 new cases on Wednesday. Residents have been urged not to leave Beijing. Fears are growing about a second wave of infections in China.